During a disaster, it is important to monitor the situation of the residents in the locality. Therefore, having a list of residents can help the staff to easily admit and discharge the residents from the evacuation center or provide their basic needs based on their demographic profile. In this part, I will be showing to you how to add residents, group them, edit their data, and delete their data. To add residents, follow these steps. Go to the Residents page by clicking the Residents tab on the side navigation. Click the drop-down button named Action on the right side of the website's body. You can select Add Resident if you want to add one resident. Otherwise, select Upload Excel file to add more than one. To add one resident, select the Add Resident option. Then, enter the needed information. And after providing the information of the resident, you can now click Submit button. But in this example, since we have the list of residents in our locality, we can just upload the Excel file. So we can click Cancel to go back to the previous page. To upload an Excel file, click the Upload Excel file option. Again, make sure that the column names and data in your Excel follow the format provided on the website. Then, click the Choose File, and then select the file that you want to upload. Lastly, click the Import button. Now, all of the residents are uploaded. The next step is to group the residents by family. To group residents, follow these steps. Again, make sure that you are on the residents page, and if not, click the Residents tab on the side navigation. Then, click the Action button, and then click the Group Resident option. Now, you can see a checkbox beside the name of the resident. The second step is to click the checkbox on the side of the name of the resident that you want to group. In this step, you can use the search bar to find the name of the residents. For example, I will be grouping the family of Elizalde. Now, I can see all of the members of Elizalde family. I will click the checkbox, and then, after that, click the Submit button when done. Let's go back to the Residents page. Now, we can see that there is a family code for the residents that I have grouped. Next is to edit the residents' data. To edit the residents' data, follow these steps. Click the View button on the right side of the resident that you want to edit. Then, click the Edit button on the lower right corner of the model. Edit the field that you want to change. Next is to click the Update button to save the changes. To delete a resident's data, follow these steps. Again, make sure that you are on the residence page. Then, click the delete button on the right side of the residence data that you want to delete. You will be asked to confirm your action. Click OK button to proceed. Now, the residence data is successfully deleted. We have just completed the second section of this manual. You now have the basic knowledge of the pre-disaster tasks that you must accomplish. This includes managing the field officers, evacuation centers, supply inventory, as well as the residents. In the next section, you will know how to manage the disaster responses.